Hey everyone, it's Lissette here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. So I am going straight in with the extra coarse drill bit and I am removing all of the design. So she's had this set on for 4 weeks now, so I am filing everything back to its thinnest layer. Being that I did use Light Elegance for this set, it is considered a bilge gel. So in order for me to change the color, I gotta file off everything first. So this would be considered a full set that she's getting. Now I'm going in and I'm pushing back her cuticles, and I did leave a good amount of gel left over on her nails, but I do go back and I file it thinner. Now I'm going in with the cuticle bit and I am going to work her cuticles, working from left to right, and this is on reverse. I am a lefty, so this would be considered reverse. And I am scraping up any of that cuticle that is stuck on her nail bed. Once I work it from left to right, I do switch it on the forward setting and work her cuticles from right to left. Now I'm going in with the cuticle ball bit, and this is really focusing more on the upper skin portion, not the natural nail bed. And this is going to remove anything that is hanging and left over and dry that you just want to remove. This bit will take it off. Now I'm coming in with a 180 sanding band and I am removing any of the shine that's left on her natural nail bed. I also go down her nail and thin out that remaining gel that I did leave over. So I just want to remind everybody, I am working both her hands. So this bit is not an old bit. I just finished doing her left hand. I'm just showing you one hand in this video. Now I'm going in with the 100-180 grit nail file and I am shortening the length of her nail as well as narrowing her side walls. Now I'm going in and adding me a Secret Nail Dehydrator. After that, I'm going to add a thin layer of clear rubber base coat and cure it for 60 seconds in an LED UV nail lamp. am coming in with the Nude Gel pot number 3, and I am adding a thin layer and filling in that new growth of her natural nail. And this is going to be my protective layer for when we do change her nail design. I will be curing this for 60 seconds as well. So the color that I'm using is a custom color that I made with some pigments and some IBD clear bilge gel. And I'm going to actually do a video showing you guys how I made this color and some other options of how to make different types of colors and stuff using certain products. But right now I am doing full coverage on the pinky, the pointer finger, and the thumb with this orange color. And then I will be curing it for 60 seconds. And I am doing one finger at a time so the product and gel doesn't move and flood into the cuticle area. So for the ring finger, I'm going to take some gold foil, some Maylar Flakes, as well as some dried flowers. And I did add a thin layer of bilge gel prior to adding the foil using the flowers and stuff. And when I place it exactly where I want everything to go, I flash cure it for 30 seconds. And then I move on to the next nail. So for the middle finger, I ended up going with just Maylar Flakes and some gold foil. When I was happy with how it looked, I cured it as well again for 30 seconds. Now I'm going in with some clear bilge gel, and I am just going to encapsulate the two fingers, which is the ring finger and the middle finger. And then after I do one finger, I cure it for 30 seconds. I move on to the next finger, cure that again for 30 seconds, and then I go back and put the whole hand in the light for an additional 60 seconds. Now I am wiping off that sticky layer with some alcohol and a lint-free wipey, and then I am going in with my 100-180 grit nail file, and I am going to be filing the side walls, the free edge, and over the top to bring back that shape. Now I am coming in with my fine drill bit and I am going over the cuticle area, making sure that it's sealed and that cuticle area is just nice, clean, and flush with the natural nail. Now I'm going in and I'm buffing it smooth, getting it ready for top coat. Before top coating, I do rub the nails clean with some alcohol and a brush. I am using Extreme Shine Top Coat from the Gel Bottle ink, and then I will be curing this for 60 seconds. And this is the final look. I am in love with this custom color. As always, thank you everyone for taking the time out to watch this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure you guys are following me on all of my social media accounts, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next one.